So, when I gave the example of the quadratic formula, we learned that x is equal to negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This term here this one is what we call the discriminant. And so depending on its value, x could be different things. And so d is equal to the root of b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so let's think of the different scenarios that we could have. So if d is equal to 0, that means that this plus or minus is no longer relevant because we'd only have one solution, and that would be negative b over 2a. So we know if d is equal to 0, we get one real solution. If d is greater than 0, sorry, and we've seen this when we had the square root of 8. That means that this plus or minus is relevant, and you will get two real solutions because it'll be adding and subtracting a real number. And so when d is greater than 0, we have two real solutions. Now let's check what happens. Sorry. The discriminant is only what is inside of the terms. That is what we're discussing here. Okay, so now let's check when d is less than 0. So b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. That means that we're taking the square root of a negative, and that would give us complex numbers. And so you would get a real number plus or minus a complex number. And so that would mean that we would get, for d is less than 0, two complex valued solutions. Okay, so we are told in this problem that the quadratic equation has exactly one real number solution. And so for one real solution, that means d is greater than 0 in order for you to get that one solution.